The Liectroux YW509 robot window cleaner is an intelligent and highly efficient solution for keeping your glass surfaces pristine. Designed for both home and professional use, this robot combines powerful vacuum suction, smart navigation, and innovative dual-way water spraying to deliver a thorough, streak-free clean on windows, tiles, and mirrors. Key features: two-way water spray system. Equipped with a smart water spray function that directs water to the left, right, and down, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning coverage across the entire surface. Intelligent frame detection. Advanced high-precision optocoupler sensors for sets sensitively detect edges, allowing for safe and precise cleaning on both framed and completely frameless glass surfaces. Powerful 3000 pascals suction. Boasts a robust 3000 pascals suction power, ensuring the robot firmly adheres to the glass for a deep and effective clean, removing dust, grime, and streaks. Large capacity dual water tanks. Features two integrated water tanks with a combined capacity of 90 milliliters, providing ample water for extended cleaning sessions without the need for frequent refilling. Multi-layer patented cleaning pad. Utilizes a specially designed multi-layer patented cleaning pad that offers strong decontamination capabilities and impressive durability for long-lasting performance. Smart path planning. Incorporates intelligent path planning with 3 different cleaning modes, N, Z, and +Z, to ensure comprehensive and efficient coverage of the entire window area. Brushless motor with low noise. Operates with a durable and efficient brushless motor, ensuring powerful performance while maintaining a low noise level, 65 dB, minimizing disturbance. Anti-fall function and UPS protection. Built-in anti-fall technology and a 500 mAh UPS, uninterruptible power supply. Battery provide power-off protection, keeping the robot securely attached to the glass even during power interruptions. Professional-grade safety. Includes a professional-grade safety rope and safety buckles, along with a total power cord length of 6.2 m, including extension cable, for worry-free cleaning of high or large windows. Anti-slip driving wheel. Ensures stable movement and firm grip on the glass surface during operation. Versatile application. Suitable for a wide range of scenes beyond just windows, including bathroom mirrors, tile walls, and various framed or frameless glass surfaces. Specifications. Product name: Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. Water spray to left, right, and down. Water tank capacity: 90 milliliters. Dual tanks. Battery: 500 mAh. Suction power: 3000 pascals. Noise level: 65 dB. Sensors: gyroscope plus mechanical sensor, 4 sets of high-precision optocoupler sensors. Cleaning modes: N+Z, N+Z. Frameless detection, yes. Power adapter input: AC 100-240V, 1.5A. Power adapter output: 24V3A. Product size: 21.5 by 21.5 by 10.4 centimeters. Product weight: 3.0 kg. Benefits: effortless and automated cleaning. Frees you from the tedious and risky task of manual window cleaning. Superior clean. Dual water spray and powerful suction ensure streak-free, thorough results. Enhanced safety. Multiple safety features, including anti-fall and UPS protection, provide peace of mind. Smart and efficient. Intelligent path planning and frame detection optimize cleaning coverage and speed. Versatile use. Cleans various glass and tiled surfaces, both framed and frameless. Quiet operation. Cleans effectively without excessive noise. Package contents: Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Cleaner Host. Remote control. User manual. Power adapter. AC cable. Extension cable. Safety rope. 2 cleaning cloths. Water injection bottle. Empty spraying bottle. Overall, the Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Cleaner is an advanced and highly effective solution for maintaining sparkling clean windows and other glass surfaces. Its intelligent features, robust suction, comprehensive safety measures, and versatile application make it an excellent investment for any home or business seeking effortless and high-quality glass cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe Smart Home Hub for more reviews.